Hey folks, Adam here, and we just installed this. It is a 4G dash cam with front and rear HD cameras. This thing's absolutely fantastic. You're going to have a 24/7 Sentry that's going to record, stream straight to your phone, and you can check it from just about anywhere. This is a very unique camera that is flipping the script on the entire industry with how well this protects your car. Now, we've tested it for about 72 hours. I've got a thorough feel for this. We're going to talk about it. We're going to tell you all about it. We're going to kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so let me tell you a little bit more about this product. First off, this is a revolutionary device that has 24/7 parking monitoring, two-way talk, and loop recording. So that is just the tip of the iceberg as to what this offers. On top of that, has dual FHD cameras, GPS location, and a privacy mode to keep things private. It is recording audio and video, and yeah, it is both on the cloud and the card that is built into the device. It does connect right up here with USB-C. And again, this is a 4G LTE dual FHD cam that will blow your mind. It's a security camera. It does remote live view, 24/7 Sentry modes, and GPS all built in with IR night vision to give you a crystal clear image every single time. The two-way audio is built into it as well, has app alerts, cloud and SD storage, and OBD2 connects right there to make sure that this thing is running perfectly in your vehicle. And folks, I do want to show you how easy this is to tuck right here along the inside of your windshield. I'm doing it one-handed, so it makes it a little more tricky, but you can just run this and stick it right up into your roof, right next to your dashboard, and you're going to be able to stick it right in there. And they even give you all the tools that you need to tuck this away, and you're just going to continue it all the way around. Now, folks, one of the things I love about this is that you can connect it with that 4G data plan, and that is going to give you the 24/7 remote monitoring with live view, two-way talk, and app notifications to where you can keep an eye on your vehicle. Now, think about that. You might spend 40, 50, 60, 70, upwards $80,000 on a vehicle. Don't you want to be able to check on it when you're remote, when you're traveling the world? When you're at work, do you want to know if somebody's keying your car? Well, this gives you the ability to do that very easily and efficiently from anywhere with that 4G network. Also think about that 24/7 park protection. You got an angry guy in the front of your vehicle. You want to be able to check on what's going on. This even has a notification. It will notice a vibration and a movement and start recording. This is a really smart design when it comes to recording motion, impact, and suspicious activity. It's great for preventing somebody from hitting and running and being able to track that person with that beautiful imagery to where you can literally read their license plate should they do that. This is absolutely perfect, and with that built-in card, this is so easy to use, and unlike other devices, this will go ahead and format the SD card for you should you put a new card in. This has it all, and that app is super simple to use. It also continuously records while you're driving. It uses the G-Shock sensor to go ahead and record that little capture of video should something happen, like an accident, which can come in very handy. I've had people hit my vehicle, try to blame me, but once I pull up the footage, they got no case. Yeah, one time's got no case, folks. So that's very important to be able to prove what actually happened when you need to prove what actually happened. So they've just done a great job here with all of that, and this will automatically switch to Sentry mode should you need it. If you park, automatically in Sentry mode, and it is keeping an eye out for your vehicle, keeping your vehicle safe while it's parked. Also, are you worried about losing valuable information? This automatically uploads detected recordings to the cloud. So even if somebody steals your car, drives off with it, this is putting that stuff in the cloud for you to where you're ultimately very safe and secure no matter what. All right, folks, with the remote live, with that 24/7 park monitoring, with the motion detection and of course the real-time notification. This is a device that's doing so much more than the competition. You can literally see the physical location of your vehicle on the app. That's really cool. And they're doing this at a price that won't break the bank. This actually surprised me at the value given for this device. Absolutely fantastic. Highly recommended by the folks here at 911 Studios. All right, folks, we're going back outside to wrap this up. But if your question is, should you pick this up? Resounding yes. And folks, don't forget that there's a free cloud service for the first month that's limited to 300 megabytes. All right, folks, so I absolutely love that this has cloud storage, SD storage, a revolutionary design that includes that OBD cabling. That is really, really phenomenal technology, and the images couldn't be more bright and more clear. You can do everything from see somebody's face, if you need that for security reasons or for legal reasons. You can read license plates if something happens. And yeah, this is very easy to transfer to your phone. And I got to tell you that setup only took a few minutes. So to reiterate, this is a great company that you're absolutely going to want to deal with time and time again. Setup literally took a couple minutes. I just had to download the app and it automatically connected, much easier than anything I've used before. The brand is a premier brand that stands behind their products, and they've had practically a zero defect rate, and that matters to me. Nobody's complaining about the products not working. And on top of that, easy to adjust. And you know what? This looks good in my vehicle. This isn't an eyesore by any means. So folks, we highly recommend that you go pick this up. A tremendous brand, a tremendous product, and something that absolutely can't be beat. My name is Adam. We're coming to you with the most elite products in all the land, the most advanced technological products around, and this one is absolutely an industry leader. We highly recommend you pick up this 4G front and rear HD dash cam. It's absolutely fantastic. With that being said, go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends. Go get one.